Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Today's video is going to be like a vlog style video. We are going to be decorating my house for the fall. And as you can see, I still have my little Christmas tree up here. I've been decorating it or trying to decorate it for every season / holiday. So at the end of the year, you'll see like a recap of the year and how I decorated my tree. But yeah, so we're gonna be decorating this for fall and the rest of my living space on the second floor of my house for fall. So let's get to it. As you saw in my behind the scenes video, you know, I like to start my videos out by cleaning up the places that I'm going to be filming. So in this case, it was the kitchen. I had to wash my dishes. I asked my boyfriend to get me some fall themed flowers, so I'm just putting those up, just cutting the stem off and putting water in the flower base. Next, I'm just switching out my candles for fall. I have this one I got last year actually from Bath & Body Works. It's called Girlfriend. And I actually have a video of my Bath & Body Works haul. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll put a link in the card above and in the description box below. I got this really cute acrylic dry erase board from Amazon. I'll link that in the description box below. But I like to put my to-do list on there just because it's right in the center of my kitchen. And it just serves as a reminder for things that I need to be doing for the day or the week. Next, I'm just switching out my soaps. I got this really cute soap by Method from Target. And of course, I got it because it goes with my color scheme that's in my kitchen / living room area. That rose gold / pink color. And then I like to change out my towels for the fall as well. This, I think, is the only thing that's up here that is not in the pink, gray, rose gold, copper color scheme. So that is a true fall color, the orange and the yellow. But it doesn't take away from the other decorations that I have around the house. I like to switch out my wallflower plugins. I actually bought a pumpkin the following day. I had a coupon at Bath & Body Works, and I am always tempted when I go into that store. I went in there for the free item and I ended up spending $60. So I got the pumpkin, and that's really cute. It adds to my decor for the fall. I usually have a few bins that I keep in my garage with fall and Christmas decorations. You'll see that later this year. So I just pull those out of the garage and I'm just taking them upstairs and setting everything up. So my ring lights, my tripods, and my camera is getting that all ready and having a little mini concert session here. Okay, so this is all my fall stuff here. I got these 2 bins from the garage, and these things here are mostly new things. I did a haul on the things I got from Target and Dollar Tree, and I actually got a lot more stuff from Marshall's. So I'll be showing you some of that stuff. And then this is a garland that I got a couple years ago from Michael's, and stuff from Marshall. Oh, I gotta move this stuff. I'll show you like a little sneak peek. These are the pictures from my birthday photo shoot, and I have yet to hang them up, but they are so good and I'm excited, but I just need to do it. But anyways, I'm just moving this out the way because obviously this is not related to the fall. Alexa, turn on my Christmas tree. Okay, so if you guys haven't checked out my Mannequin Christmas tree video, it was a hit a couple years ago. I'll leave that in the description box below. This year I had a goal of decorating it for each season or holiday. Anyways, I'm just decorating it with pumpkins for the fall. Okay, now I'm putting together some pieces that are going up in my living room, and I'll just shut up and let you guys watch the video for now, and I'll come back a little bit later. I have 2 ribbon choices I can do. I really like this gold, sorry, it's actually orange shimmer ribbon, but it's very messy too. So I'm gonna go with this new one that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna play with this a little bit to make the ribbon more even, but this is basically the gist of it. I'm gonna have it like that, and then I can actually put some of these gold balls at the bottom because it looks a little plain down there. So I also have this here. It looks like a big wine glass, really. It's filled with flowers for the spring, so I'm just going to take these out. And I actually am going to fill this with the corks here because it looks like a wine glass. So I think it makes more sense to have that. And then I also have some corks in here. This is really, really dusty. Just gonna take these out. Okay, so for the next thing, I have this vase that I just took the corks out of. I am going to put some lights at the bottom. And they are on. So I'm just going to stick this at the bottom, put these in, and they're supposed to be little leaves, you can tell in there. And then I also have these, it's a vase filler. These are little corn things, really cute. So I'm just going to So you have this, and we're just gonna put it up here. So up here we have sort of our neutral colors. We have the little acorns here, and I might find something else for that, or like, it looks kind of plain right now, so this is just how it is for now. But we have this little vase, pumpkins, and then more acorns, and then this pink pumpkin. I really want to get something, I think they sell them at Walmart, to connect these together so that they will be like streamlined and behind like a white plastic so you can't really see it, because I hate how this looks right now, but that's what we got. That's what we're working with now, but I'm gonna fix that soon. Well, for this one, I wanted to just put this in here. I got this from, I think, TJ Maxx. It was $7.99. But you see, it's kind of too short for that. They're gonna be inside of there and not sticking out like I want. Is use this tissue paper. It's like a pink and a ivory colored tissue paper, and I'm gonna stuff it at the bottom so that it can kind of poke out a little bit. We'll see if that works. So under here you see I have this napkin. I'm going to put these underneath this pumpkin because it is glass and it's sitting on top of glass, and I don't want it to be directly on top, so I'm just gonna put these on the bottom of it so that it does not scratch my table. Looks like it did have some on here, but there's only one left, so you see how this is glass. I'm gonna peel this off and replace it. sure what to do with this garland here. I wanted to put it up here, but I can't because it's going to scratch this table up so bad. But I guess I can put it on top of this gold thing here. Just has no real purpose, so I'm just going to put it on top of that, I think. So that's what it looks like. I think it's cute like that. Some of these little sticks fell off of this. I'm just gonna put them in here so it can look a little bit fuller. So for now we have this up here. We have our tree. The garland down here. We have my little table, and underneath the table we have a few pumpkins and a candle. This little area, and I usually do something to this little stand over here, but right now it is how it's been all year. Coming back to the kitchen to decorate, I got a lot of this stuff from Dollar Tree. And if you're interested, I am linking the video of my haul in the cards above and in the description box below. I also got this cute little cart, and the wheels aren't real, but it looks like a cart, like you push it. I don't know what I'm going to put on top of it, but I thought it was so cute. And I also got this little copper basket and this apple cider sign. So I just thought to put some apple cider packets in there, although it's not fresh like the sign suggests. I just thought it would be a cute little addition to my kitchen. I put the room fragrances in here, so whenever I feel like it, I can just get it and spray it. I left these tags on just to make sure I liked this little pumpkin in my house before I committed to keeping it. It's only $15, but I rather know for sure that it looks good in the house. And I think it does. So I'll go ahead and take these tags off. But this is what it's looking like for now, and I'm happy with this. So now we are on the main floor. This is my door to go outside. I can do orange down here, pink and rose gold and all that stuff. It's just upstairs, but I have these DIY wreaths that I made. I like this one better, so I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna plug it in really quick because it lights up. So I need to find a extension cord, but it lights up. It has orange lights. I need to find an extension cord so I can hang it up on the wall or on the door and have it light up. But I like to put my wreaths on the inside because I don't want anyone to steal them. Since I made it myself, it has more of a sentimental value, so I keep it on the inside. And I'm actually trying to get a storm door for my door so that I can put a wreath outside and feel comfortable with it being there. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this all decorated. This one is there all year round. This is actually a DIY too. These are 2 Quaker Oats little jar cylinder containers, I guess. I wrapped this around it and then just found this from a thrift store actually. It looks more like fall, but it's all year round. This is also here all year round. I just like to switch up what's inside of it each season. So I have potpourri here. So we're pretty much done. All we have down here is just the wreath. We have me. we have that and that little area. And when this is done, I'll switch this out for a fall scented wallflower plug-in. But yeah, this is all we have. So that's it for today's fall decorate with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me decorate for the fall, and I hope you guys like my little, it's not even a Christmas tree, it's a fall tree, Thanksgiving tree, and all my other little decorations that I have here. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really, really greatly appreciate it. If you're interested in seeing how I created the DIY wreaths, I'll leave that link up in the cards above and also in the description box below. I'll link all of my hauls for Target, Dollar Tree, and previous fall Halloween videos in the cards above throughout this video, and then also in the description box below. So if you're interested in seeing any type of fall related videos, I do have those too. So go ahead and check those out. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.